Dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Students, we have completed our chapter number 4, that is practical geometry. And now today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 5, that is data handling. And I hope student, data handling, you know everyone from class 3, standard 3 only we are doing this data handling. Right student? So before starting the exercise 5.1, let's discuss few topics which we will deal in exercise 5.1. Right? What type of question we will do in the exercise 5.1? Right student? So first of all, the name data handling, you know student, to handle the data, to handle a large number of data into a small pictures, you can say, or in a small form, right? And for that we have number of types. You have number of types to handle the given data, like pictograph, telemarks, bar graph, pie chart, and one more important is histogram, which is new for you, and this we will do in the exercise 5.1. Okay, so before starting the exercise question, so let's quickly have a look on the introduction about the exercise questions. Now coming to our first topic, which will deal in exercise 5.1, right? So one type of data we'll do in exercise, that is organizing data. What is organizing data? In this student, one data is being given to you. कोई भी एक डाटा आपको गिवन होगा, number of series, like suppose I am giving you alphabet series like M O N A O G M in such a manner, मतलब कोई सीरीज दी जाएगी, नंबर की सीरीज, अल्फाबेट की सीरीज, फ्रूट की सीरीज, anything it can be, right? So you have to organize this data using telemarks. So how you will do? First of all, what you are having? Alphabet you are having. This alphabet, fine, you have to show, you have to organize in the form of telemarks, and at the last there would be frequency. Frequency means what number of the thing you have in the series, right? So first of all, see how many alphabet you have. M O N A and one G, means these different type of numbers alphabet you are having. So means one M O N A and one G, right student? Then after that you will see M number के कितने alphabet है series में, O कितने alphabet है series में, right? So you have to show with the help of telemarks. And how you will show in telemarks? You know, in line way we have to show. Telemarks में हम line use करते हैं, right? How you will use 1, 2, 3, 4, and जो fifth one line होती है that will be cut to all the 4 lines. Remember student? So here what we write? We write the number of the term. That's it. Very simple. So in the equation, first method will use the organizing data in the form of telemarks. Right? Now coming to second one, that method of the data handling, what we'll use in this exercise. Now students, second method we'll use, that is histogram. You have to make histogram or you have to see कि ये condition जो है histogram के लिए satisfy है या नहीं. This is the means another new type of data handling which we'll be using in exercise 5.1. So before starting the question about the histogram, पहले समझना होगा exactly what is histogram student. Everyone knows bar graph. This is a kind of a bar graph, बस इसमें एक condition है, that is मतलब इसको भी हम x y axis में ही बनाते हैं, right? इसे भी हम intervals में लेते हैं, but histogram में क्या होता है बेटा? Continuity होती है, continuity और class intervals होते हैं. Class interval means, I'll give you one example. Suppose one shopkeeper having different kind of pens. जैसे आप शॉप पे जाते हो, है ना, आप बोलते हो 5 रुपीज का पेन दिखा दीजिए, 10 रुपीज का. So in such a manner, suppose he is having the pen that cost is 10 to 20 के बीच में, 20 to 30 के बीच में, 30 to 40 के बीच में, in such a way, right? And on Monday he sold 15 pens between 10 to 20. What is 10 to 20? मतलब 10 से लेके 20 तक, 10 to 20 के बीच में जितने भी पेन्स आ रहे हैं, और लाइक 8 है तो इट कमिंग हियर, 15 है तो इसके बीच में, राइट स्टूडेंट। और आप देख रहे हो जो फर्स्ट बॉक्स का लोअर लिमिट है वो सेकंड बॉक्स की अपर लिमिट है, राइट स्टूडेंट। तो इट मीन्स इसमें कॉन्टिन्यूटी रहती है, इसमें देयर इज नो गैप। इट मीन्स इफ देयर इज 10 तो हियर इज 20, देयर इज 30, देन 40, देन 50 इन सच अ मैनर, ठीक है। पर बार ग्राफ में क्या होता है, वी यूज टू टेक व्हाट, वी यूज टू टेक गैप इन बिटवीन। इट मीन्स सपोज 10 टू, यहाँ पे अगर 15 है, सपोज हियर इज 20, 30 टू 40 में 10 पेन्स द शॉपकीपर सोल्ड, राइट। सो हाउ विल शो, यहाँ राइट हैंड पहले एक्स एक्सिस में हमने क्या लिया, नंबर ऑफ पेन्स, एंड वाई एक्सिस में व्हाट वी हैव टेकन, पेन सोल्ड, फाइन। सो अब हम क्या लेंगे स्टूडेंट, एज यू नो स्केल, इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, स्केल। The minimum number we have 10 and the maximum number we have 20, right? If I'll take 10-10 gap, then also it is fine. If I'll take 5-5 gap, then also it is fine. If I take 5, 10, 15 and then 20, the gap should be same student, right? Fine. So अब देखो 10 to 20 के बीच में, 10 से 20 के बीच में there is 15, right student? 10 to 20 के बीच में, 10 to 20 के बीच में 15 पेन्स आ रहे हैं। Then 20 to 30 there are 20 पेन्स, so 20 to 30 20 पेन्स, so इसके सामने यही एक्सटेंड होगा, so 20 to 30 में there are 20 पेन्स। So have you seen there is a continuity in the bar graphs, sorry in the horizontal line, in the bars, ठीक है। बट इन बार ग्राफ होता सेम है, बट वहां पे क्या होता है, प्रॉपर गैप होता है। क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें ये इंटरवल्स नहीं होती है, उसमें नॉर्मल होता है 15 पीपल गॉट 15 मार्क्स या 20 पीपल गॉट 20 मार्क्स व्हाटएवर, तो इसमें क्लास इंटरवल्स नहीं होती है, ठीक है। सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बार ग्राफ एंड हिस्टोग्राम, देयर दैट हिस्टोग्राम में क्लास इंटरवल होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर क्लास इंटरवल बन रही है तो मीन्स दैट इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर हिस्टोग्राम, अदरवाइज not. Got student, this is very simple. When we do the equation, then we will better understand about this. Okay, so this is two type of method which we'll do in the exercise 5.1. Okay, so let's start the exercise questions. Student, coming to our exercise 5.1. Okay, question number 1 we have. Now see the question carefully. What is the question? For which of these would these a condition is given to you, you use a histogram to show the data। मतलब ये आपको conditions given है, इन condition में किसके लिए histogram possible है, आप show कर सकते हो histogram in for among these conditions। तो मैंने आपको क्या बोला, histogram किसके लिए बना सकते हैं हम, only for that in which question क्लास इंटरवल, इंटरवल्स जो है पॉसिबल है तभी हिस्टोग्राम बन सकता है, अदरवाइज नॉट। लेट्स सी हाउ। ए पार्ट, द नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स फॉर डिफरेंट एरियाज इन अ पोस्टमैन बैग। अब देखो स्टूडेंट, अब इसके माइंड में रखो, सपोज इसके लिए आप एक हिस्टोग्राम बनाना चाहते हो, यू वांट टू मेक, ठीक है। एक्स एक्सिस में क्या आएगा आपका, एरिया, क्योंकि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एरिया, कितने एरिया हैं, ठीक है। और वाई एक्सिस में क्या आएगा, नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स। अब देखो नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स कैसे आएगा, एरिया 1 में इतने नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स, एरिया 2 में इतने नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स, तो क्लास इंटरवल आ रही है, नो, सिंपली है एरिया 1 एरिया 2 एरिया 3, ऐसा तो नहीं है एरिया 1 टू एरिया 5 में इतने नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल ओनली, क्योंकि हर नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स कितने भी हो सकते हैं, ठीक है। एंड एक एरिया में तो एक ही एरिया में एक बार बांटेगा वो, राइट स्टूडेंट। सो इट मीन्स हिस्टोग्राम इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन दिस केस, नॉट पॉसिबल, क्रॉस वी हैव डन, नॉट पॉसिबल। व्हाई स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज हमारे पास इंटरवल्स नहीं बनी, एरिया 1 एरिया 2 एरिया 3, राइट, इंटरवल्स नहीं बनी है। Okay, so it is not possible for you. Now coming to B, the height of competitors in an athlete meet. Athlete meet है, सो इसका अगर हम हिस्टोग्राम सोचें, इफ वी थिंक अबाउट इट, तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, हाइट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटर्स, इट मीन्स 2 से 3 फुट के इतने नंबर ऑफ एथलीट है, 3 से 4 फुट के इतने नंबर ऑफ एथलीट है। तो इट इज पॉसिबल इन बी पार्ट, मतलब इसमें हम इंटरवल्स बना सकते हैं ना कि इतने से इतने फीट तक इतने नंबर ऑफ एथलीट वी आर हैविंग, इतने से इतने एक के अंडर आएंगे, इतने से इतने एक के अंडर आएंगे। गॉट स्टूडेंट? सो इट मीन्स हिस्टोग्राम इज पॉसिबल इन बी केस. I hope you are getting the condition, right? Now C part, the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. अब अगेन 5 कंपनी, तो आप क्या लिखो, कंपनी 1 ने इतने बनाए, कंपनी 2 ने इतने बनाए, इंटरवल नहीं बने, है ना, एक कंपनी ने इतने, दूसरी कंपनी ने इतने, तो एक इंडिविजुअल बना, इंटरवल इज नॉट मेड, तो इट मीन्स इसमें हिस्टोग्राम इज नॉट पॉसिबल. राइट स्टूडेंट, आर यू गेटिंग? जिसमें इंटरवल्स पॉसिबल है उसी के लिए हिस्टोग्राम है, अदरवाइज नॉट. हाँ, इसके लिए बार ग्राफ बन सकता है, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन वी हैव टू सी फॉर हिस्टोग्राम ओनली. ओके, द नंबर ऑफ डी पार्ट, द नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर्स बोर्डिंग ट्रेन्स फ्रॉम 7 AM to 7 PM, कि कितने लोग जो हैं ट्रेन में बोर्ड हुए, सुबह के 7 बजे से शाम के 7 बजे तक. ठीक है, तो आप इसको छोटा डाटा बनाने के लिए यू कैन डू कि 7 to 10 AM इतने नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर, 10 AM से 12 noon, 12 noon से यू कैन से स्टूडेंट 12 noon से डायरेक्टली इफ यू आर टेकिंग 4 आवर गैप्स तो 7 8 9 10. ठीक है, अगर आप फिर 10 से 10 11 12 1 PM 2 3 4 5 PM, तो वी कैन मेक there is a possibility, not possibility, हम इसमें intervals बना सकते हैं, we can make, right student? So it means in this there is a possibility, there is, we can make a histogram. Right student, I hope you got now that exactly what is histogram, जिसमें class interval possibility होती है, otherwise नहीं हो रहे तो histogram नहीं बन सकता, कोई और डाटा we can choose for that. Okay student, I hope you got about histogram. Now coming to our question number 2. Now coming to our question number 3, shoppers who came to a store, मतलब the shoppers gone to a store to buy something, to purchase something, and there the variety of shoppers are men stand for M, women stand for W, boys stand for B, and G for girl, right? And they have maintained the list that how many shoppers came in a day in that shop, particular shop. Okay, for that these condition is being given to you in your notebook, in your book, sorry. Fine. So what you have to make a frequency table using tally marks. So what you will do, first you will organize these number, okay, then you have to make a tally marks table, and after that draw a bar graph also. After that you have to make a bar graph. I hope students you know how to make bar graph. Okay, so let's quickly start. First of all, tally marks. First of all, tally marks के लिए what we have to do, कि how many shoppers came, variety, women, men, boy and then girl. 4 types of shoppers came. So first of all, shoppers are women, men, boy and girl, right? So we'll make the tally marks for women. So first of all, we'll count that women in this series, how many women we have. Okay, so let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 and 28. So how many women are there? 28. So we will make the tally marks, okay, using lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. So it means number of shoppers are 28. So students, men, how many men are there? So I have already counted that men we have 15. So I am making 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 So how many men are there? 50. So the boy numbering we are having 1 boy, 2 boy, 5 total boy we are having 3, 4 and then 1, 5. Right student? So how many boy are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the girl we have 12. I have already counted earlier. Okay. So if you will count, you will see 12 girls are only there. Okay. So in this list, how many girls, number of girls are there? 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12. So number of girls are 12. And at the last, we have to see that our tally marks is correct or not. What we will do? टोटल नंबर, क्योंकि ये जितने नंबर टोटल नंबर होंगे स्टूडेंट ये तो आप काउंट कर लोगे, तो आपका जो सम आना चाहिए दैट विल बी इक्वल टू दिस सीरीज ओनली, तभी आपको लगेगा दैट आवर टैली मार्क्स इज करेक्ट. ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी दीस नंबर्स आर 60. सो लेट्स सी 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So it means we have number of shoppers 60. So this is all about tally marks for this series. Now according to question what we have to do? We have to make a bar graph. So everyone knows how to make bar graph. So let's start to make bar graph. So for bar graph, first of all we have to make axis. X-axis and y-axis. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Along the x-axis, what we are taking? We are taking number of shoppers. No, we will take the how many shoppers are there. Because numbering if you will take here, it will be easy. Although you can take anywhere. Otherwise, आपका इस way में बनेगा paragraph और इस way में. Doesn't matter. Calculation सही होनी चाहिए. ठीक है? So here I am going to take shoppers. How many shoppers are there? Women, men, boy and girl. And after that number of shoppers along the y-axis. So number of shoppers. Right student? So how many number of shoppers are there? Minimum number is 5 or maximum is 28. So your choice, you are taking 5-5 gap or 10-10 gap. You know student how to take scale? गैप शुड बी सेम. अगर आप ये 0 ओरिजिन 0 से 0 to 5 ले लो, so there is gap 5 का, so you have to take 5-5 gap only. 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and 25 to 30. Right student? ऐसे नहीं करना 0 to 5 then 5 to 15, 15 no. Because 5 to 15 में 10 का gap हो जाएगा. They should be scaled in a same manner. जो स्टार्टिंग का ओरिजिन से आपने स्टार्ट किया वही थ्रू आउट रहना चाहिए. राइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टू मेक. फॉर वुमेन वी हैव 28. सो 25, 26, 27, 28. सो दिस विल बी 28. फॉर मेन देयर इज 15. सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ men there would be 15. After that boy 5. So boy के लिए there is 5 and the for girl there is 12. 10, 11, 12. 10 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर there will be 12. Have you seen student that bar graph we have a gap in between the bars, है ना? But histogram में क्या होते हैं? Attached होते हैं because उसमें intervals होते हैं 10 to 20, 20 to 30. ओके. सो यही डिफरेंस है बार ग्राफ और हिस्टोग्राम में. देयर इज अ गैप. हिस्टोग्राम में गैप नहीं होता, कंटिन्यूटी होती है बार्स में. राइट. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. नाउ कमिंग टू आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. आई होप यू गॉट दिस क्वेश्चन. वेरी सिंपल. बाय टेली मार्क्स आता है बनाना. बार ग्राफ यू नो हाउ टू मेक. दैट्स इट. सो नाउ कमिंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ स्टूडेंट कमिंग टू आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. The weekly wages in a factory in which they have 30 workers. ठीक है. These are the wages of the 30 workers. What we have to do? You have to make a tally marks frequency table. Using tally marks, you have to make a frequency table. Taking the interval. अब इसमें हमें इंटरवल लेने हैं. मतलब अब आप खुद सोचो 30 नंबर 800, 800, 10, 820 ऐसे लेंगे तो कितनी लंबी सीरीज बन जाएगी. तो उसे शॉर्ट करने के लिए हमने क्या ले लिए? इंटरवल्स. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? इट इज गिवन टू यू 800 से 810, देन 810 से 820 अप टू सो ऑन. लास्ट कहाँ पे होगा? जहाँ पे हमारे पास हाईएस्ट वेज होगा किसी वर्कर का. तो हाईएस्ट है हमारे पास 898. So 898 is highest, so it will come under the 890 to 900 के बीच में. Fine. So let's start first of all class interval. The given to you 8 to 800 to 810, 810 to 820 up to so on. The last number is 898, that is 890 to 900. Right student? Now the next is tally marks we have to make. So first of all see 800 से 810 के बीच में how many workers having the wages. अब आपको यहाँ पे 810 तक नहीं देखना स्टूडेंट, यू हैव टू सी टिल 809 ओनली, क्योंकि 810 जो है ये लोअर लिमिट है. यहाँ पे लेंगे हम 810 बिकॉज हियर इज 810 अपर लिमिट. मतलब जैसे आप देखते हैं ना क्लास में कि 1 to 10 रोल नंबर यहाँ बैठेंगे, फिर 10 से 20 रूम नंबर 2 में बैठेंगे. हमने इंटरवल 10-10 का लिया है, ठीक है, बट अब 1 to 10 मतलब 9 तक वहां बैठेंगे, 10 to 12 मतलब बाकी के रूम नंबर 2 में बैठेंगे, क्योंकि अगर दूसरे रूम में अगर बैठने होता तो वहां 11 to 20 होता, ना कि 10 to 20. What student? What is the thing? So here is interval 10-10 का लिया है, बट यहाँ पे नंबर हम कहाँ तक देखेंगे? Till 809 only, right? So 800 to 810, how many are there? 810 नहीं ले सकते because this is still here we have to see only till 809. Okay, so 800, 800, 801, 2, 3, 4, 804, 806 and 808. ठीक है, इसके बाद कोई नहीं है, so it means how many are there? 3, 1, 2, 3, so frequency is 3 only, right? So next is 810 to 820. So इसमें include होगा आपका 810, then 800, this 12. इसके बाद सारे 820 से बड़े हैं, so it means 2 are there, 1, 2, so frequency is 2. Okay, so 820 to 830, 820 to 830, तो यहाँ पे 820 include होगा, and after that no one is there. It means how many are there? 1 tally mark. So you have 1 tally mark, right? So next is 830 to 840. 832, so 830, 832, 33, 35, 7, 8, 9. So total are 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total number are 9. So in such a manner, see student, 36, 35, 40 के नीचे नीचे 39 तक everything we have to see. So in such a manner you have to see only from this table and you complete this table, right? And I have already done. So 840 से 850 बीच में there are 5 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5, right? Now 850 to 860 there is only one number. So 1 tally mark. Okay. So after 860 to 870 there are 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 870 to 880 I have only 1. So 1 tally mark. 880 to 890 only 1 tally mark, and 890 to 900 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. Now you will see ma'am you are doing without counting only, because student I have already done. If I count in such a manner तो ये थोड़ा difficult हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, but you can see by this table only you can see this tally mark only you will get afterward, right? So this is all about your tally mark. आपको अच्छे से table देखना है and you have to make this. That's it. So according to question, we have made the tally mark using these frequency table. That's it. So this is all about our question number 3. Nothing else. So now coming to our next question. Now student, coming to our question number 4. Draw a histogram for the frequency table for the data in the question number 3. In question number 3, what we have made? We have made this frequency table, right? So for this same, we have to make a histogram. Now see, histogram is possible because we took the intervals, we took the class intervals, और histogram के लिए हमें intervals की ही जरूरत होती है. There is a requirement for the histogram that intervals, no? So it means we can easily make. तो आप अपनी कॉपी में भी after this just directly start to make a histogram. No need to do this part again. Right? Fine. So first of all, histogram के लिए we have to make first of all x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Along the x-axis, what we have to take this interval only. Right. So this is interval, or you can say wages of worker. है ना? Wages of worker, and here the number of workers. Number of workers. Right, student? Now interval, what do we have to take? 800. So 800 to 810, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 900. That's it. Right, student? And this side we have to take this frequency. और lowest तो है 1 and highest कितनी है student? 9. So you can take 1 gap easily. It will be easy for you. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right, student? Now you have to make a histogram. 800 to 810. We have number of workers 3. So this is 3. 800 to 810. Fine, student. Now 810 to 820. There are 2. So 810 से start करेंगे. It is 2. 810 to 820. Right? 3 and 2. Then 820 to 830. There is 1. So 820 to 830. There is only one number of worker. 830 to 840 there are 9. So 830 to 849 यहाँ है student. तो scale से you will use the ruler to make these lines straight. Fine. 830 to 840 there are 9 workers, and after that 840 to 850 5. So where is 5? Here is 5. 840 to 850. So as you can see there is a continuity क्योंकि interval वहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है 810 to 820 to 830, 830 to 840, right? So 850 to 860 there are 1 only. So 1 is 1. 860 to 870 there are 3. So 3 is here only. So let's go extend to 860 to 873, and then 872 1, then 882, 870 to 881, 880 to 890. There is again 1. Shall I erase this part, student, because I don't have space here? And उसके बाद 890 to 900 there are 4. So this is 4. 900. Right, student? So this is histogram for this frequency table. Now what the next is, answer the following question. They are the questions that we have to give the answer. So let's start the questions. Student, question number 1 we have, which group has maximum number of workers? These are number of workers. So total number of workers are 9. The maximum number. But किस group के अंदर है student? Yes. This is 830 to 840. It means 830 to 840 की group के बीच का जो class interval है, जो उसमें maximum number of workers we are having. It is very simple to give the answer on the basis of histogram, on the basis of bar graph, on the basis of pictograph. है ना? You just need to see the given data and just give the answer directly. That's it. Now coming to question number 2, how many workers earn rupees 850 and more? कितने workers हैं students? 850 and more. How many workers are there? That will add total number of workers? No. 850 में कितने हैं? 1. Because 850 will include also, क्योंकि उसने बोला है 850 and more. So 850 will include, that is 1 worker. 860 to 73 workers. Then 1 worker. Then 1 and then 4. 6, 7, 8, 9. It means total 10 workers are there who is having rupees 850 और उससे ज़्यादा. ठीक है? So how many workers are there? 10 workers. Now question number 3. How many workers earn less than rupees 850? उसका बिल्कुल opposite. 850 से लेके 850 ज़्यादा के 10 workers है. बाकी के कितने हैं? उससे कम वाले हैं obvious. But how many? Will give the answer in the number. So it means 9. Sorry, 5 also will include because 840 से 850 के बीच का interval 4, 5 है. This will also include. ठीक है? 5, 9, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. So total number of workers are 14, 15, 20. So 20 workers they earning less than rupees 850. That's it, student. This is all about your question number 4. I hope now you got the difference between bar graph and a histogram. So now coming to our question number 5, the last question of this exercise. Then is coming to our last question of this exercise. In this exercise, this histogram is being given to you. ये आपको दिया गया है and you have to give the answer after seeing this histogram. Like we had in question number 4, हमने question के answer दिए थे on the basis of histogram. So in the same manner, this question we have to do. So how to read? यहाँ पे x-axis के along आपको दिए हैं hours of TV watching per day is the people, the students are there कि इतने घंटे एक दिन में इतने घंटे टीवी देखे जाते हैं and how many number of students are there? 4 students, 8 students, 12 students. So this histogram is given to you in your book. You have to give the answer on the basis of this histogram, which is very simple. So this question, student, is homework for you. Only three parts question we are having in this question, which is very simple, right? So this is the last question of our exercise 5.1, and in this we have learned about histogram. Histogram means जिसमें class intervals आ जाएं, then we can make a histogram for that. Right, student? So this is all about 5.1 exercise. We will in next class we will be doing our next exercises. So till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, students. Stay happy, stay home.